So you can see wonderful food I've just made. It's really very rich in vegetables, bitter leaf and green, as you can see, in peppers, tropical rainforest spices, in fish. It therefore means it's rich in omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, and you've got some stew here of meat. So therefore it's really rich in proteins. And then you have carbohydrates here in tofu which is made out of cassava and so on. So I encourage you to farm cassava, farm fish, farm meat in eco-friendly ways and vegetables in order to improve on food security in Cameroon and Africa. Thanks for watching my cooking corner. I am Ivo Arrey.